Speed has always been more than motion. It's a feeling that bends time and rewrites expectation. But what does acceleration really mean when engineering reaches its absolute limit? Tonight, we uncover a story hidden between numbers and emotion, and it changes how we see performance forever. To understand this machine, we need to step back into the legacy of Bugatti, a brand that has never chased speed simply for numbers, but for artistry in motion. The Centodieci was born as a tribute, a modern interpretation of the iconic EB 110, blending nostalgia with cutting-edge engineering. In a world where hypercars compete for attention, this model matters because it represents a bridge between heritage and the future of performance. And that's why the automotive world watched closely, waiting for one question to finally be answered: how fast does it truly launch? And then, the moment arrives. The Centodieci stands still, yet it feels alive, like a cold force waiting to break silence. Its presence is sculptural, every line directing air, every surface reflecting purpose. As the engine ignites, the atmosphere shifts, not just sound, but emotion, a reminder that performance can be visceral. The design philosophy is a conversation between past and future. Sharp geometry, inspired by the EB 110, reinterpreted through modern aerodynamics. Air intakes aren't decorative, they're functional sculptures, channeling airflow with precision. Compared to its lineage, the form feels more aggressive yet more refined, proving evolution doesn't erase identity, it sharpens it. There's a quiet confidence in the proportions, as if the car knows exactly what it was built to do. At its heart lies an engineering philosophy refined from the Bugatti Chiron lineage, a powertrain that delivers force with surgical precision. Three elements define its character: relentless power delivery, advanced thermal management, and aerodynamic intelligence that adapts at speed. Where older hypercars struggled with balancing brutality and control, this machine turns that conflict into harmony. The result isn't just faster acceleration, it's confidence, the sense that the car responds before you even finish the thought. Inside, the world slows down. The cabin isn't just luxurious, it's intentional, wrapping the driver in focus rather than distraction. Digital interfaces blend seamlessly with handcrafted materials, creating an atmosphere where technology feels human. Every surface, every stitch, reinforces the idea that performance isn't only about speed, it's about connection. Sitting here, you don't feel like you're operating a machine, you feel like you're part of it. Beyond the spectacle, the Centodieci reshapes expectations in the hypercar segment, proving exclusivity and innovation can coexist. Its presence influences competitors, pushing the entire industry toward more integrated performance engineering. In the market, it occupies a rare space, not just a product, but a statement about what's possible when engineering is driven by vision rather than compromise. And that ripple effect will echo long after production numbers fade into history. Looking ahead, the Centodieci feels less like an endpoint and more like a signal, a preview of how performance will evolve. As electrification and new materials reshape mobility, its spirit won't disappear, only transform. Because speed isn't just about numbers, it's about possibility. Whether this era is remembered as the peak of combustion or the start of something greater, the emotion remains, proof that progress can still move us. If this story sparked your curiosity, we'd love to hear your perspective. What does performance mean to you today? And if you enjoy cinematic journeys into the world of automotive innovation, consider joining us for the next chapter.